This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37L is a super CRV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37L is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.